Hello Willow Haven Farm members, here's another unboxing video for you. I had the pack team, which you just can see on the other video that I'm posting in here, that I just had them pack my box early so I can open it up and show you. And you just saw me open it up correctly, so if in case anyone's new, you can see that. We like to reuse the boxes and have them not be damaged. This is, I think, our first offering of Swiss chard this year. This is red Swiss chard of the rainbow Swiss chard variety. There's information about that on the blog post, so click to that and read how to store it and how to use it. This is beautiful. It's a very versatile spring summer green that lasts all summer long. It's heat tolerant, and so it's a great thing to use as a substitute for spinach or other greens. Garlic scapes are still in season, but we only get these in June. But they do last a while in your fridge and you can keep using them instead of garlic. Our garlic will be harvested in July, so sometimes there's a gap between the local garlic that you can get because it's out of season in the spring, and it doesn't get harvested until July. Here we have the oak leaf or red Russian kale with the purple stems. Another good green to use. You get the most health benefits from kale if you cook it, but there are plenty of recipes for kale salad. Just make sure that you massage it to break it down and make it softer. That also breaks down some of the cells that will then release nutrients for you. I have sweet cherries and sour cherries, so I want to show you the difference. The sweet cherries we had last week, they're darker, richer in color, and obviously sweeter. And the sour cherries are a little bit smaller, and they're a bright red, okay? Enjoy those. The sour cherries, some people enjoy eating them fresh. They're not too tart to eat fresh, but they're often used in pies and jams. So enjoy them however you'd like. Scallions, as you can see, are still in season before the full mature onions will be harvested in July. The bulbs are getting bigger, so enjoy that. Asparagus is still in season. I don't know how many more weeks. Usually we probably are getting to the end of that. The bok choy, this is still our spring planting of bok choy. You may see that it was starting to grow the flowering stems. When they're young and tender like this, these kind of broccoli type florets, they're definitely edible. Even if they're flowering, they're edible. This stem is tender most of the way down. But these thicker stems we chopped off for you so that we could get them in the box because they were probably towering. So these thicker stems are going to be woody, so just discard them. But we still have the nice tender stalks of the bok choy here for you to enjoy in your stir fries or in your salads. Here is the radicchio. Isn't it cute? It's like softball size, and it has the white and the green fading into this purplish red. It's known as more of a bitter green. So if you taste it fresh, you'll definitely notice that, more like a sharp dandelion green type of flavor. So it's a great to slice thin and mix into other salads to give a full variety of flavors and colors and nutrition. I also gave you recipe links for various ways of grilling and roasting it. I've never tried that, so let me know if you do. These are snap peas. They are kind of on the small side, most likely because of the lack of rain that we had in May. But they are, the difference between snap peas and snow peas are that these are fatter, have a little slightly more mature peas inside. And the way that this is the way that I snap the strings off. This flowering end is tough, you're not gonna eat that. So I just pull it down. The strings will stay attached on both sides and we'll pull them off. And there's a little bit more on the tail. You can do that. And then they're perfect for stir frying or eating raw or dipping into one of the salad dressings that I've included in the blog post. And you can, if you open it up, you can see the little tiny peas in there that are growing. These are great because the pods are edible. We don't grow shell peas, which is the tough pods that you would have to scrape the peas out of. We don't have that equipment or any interest in doing that labor-intensive work. So the only peas that you get from us are in the spring, these snap peas or snow peas on occasion. Let's see, now I have the heavy things left in my box. So this is the first week of your standard green cabbage. I explain in the blog post that this is not a storage cabbage that you can put in your cold storage and keep for months and months. It will keep long term in the summer in the refrigerator, but use it. These are nice big heads, so some of you may think that you're gonna have this for a long time. And if it's too big to fit very nice in your refrigerator, I've got some ideas on what to do with it. You can see that we've left some of the outer leaves on to protect it in transit, but you can just take those off. I suggest washing them and saving them if you're going to make sauerkraut. The sauerkraut method on the blog does say to use an onion, but I do like covering it with a nice thick cabbage leaf to keep your sauerkraut, once it's packed in the jar, to keep it weighted down, to keep the surface away from the air. And I use a cabbage leaf smashed into that jar and tucked around to do that. So here we're talking about using up cabbage. It does cook down. So if this is too big for you, why don't you cut it in half, put half of it in the fridge, and then slice the rest of it up thin and either cook it in a stir fry today or make, I think I'll share the egg roll in a bowl recipe that I tried last night, which was really great. You could throw the cabbage in there or try making the sauerkraut with using the method that I've included in the blog post. And then the rest of it will keep in your refrigerator until you're ready for cabbage again later in the week. And you're good to go. So here's kohlrabi again. This is a green kohlrabi this week. Maybe we'll have purple ones later. I'm not exactly sure what's coming. The leaves you can break or cut off, and you can use these just like you would kohlrabi, collard greens. Slice them up or make kale chips with your kohlrabi greens. The ends might be a little tough, so maybe cut off the ends. And then you have the kohlrabi bulb. And most of the time I'll just take a sharp knife and just cut all the edges away till I have the nice green, whitish green, tender inside part of the bulb, and then you can do whatever you want with it. It's very versatile. It's lovely to eat raw because it's so juicy and yet crisp at the same time, like a nice, good apple. Not as sweet as an apple, of course, but it has a similar texture. It does have a bit of sweetness for a vegetable, though. Here's our lovely cauliflower. Such a great vegetable to use, especially those of you who are gluten-free or grain-free know how to use this as a rice substitute. Once again, you could use the greens or throw these in your scrap bag in your freezer to make veggie broth later. And whatever your favorite way to use cauliflower, there's lots of suggestions. I love roasting it. I posted my roasted cauliflower from the other night in our Telegram chat group. So go ahead and look at that there. And last but not least, I'm gonna show you the mushrooms. So these are the cremini mushrooms. We bag them for you in a brown paper bag. That's the best way to store them in the refrigerator, a brown paper bag, not a plastic bag. These are unwashed, and you don't want to wash them until you want to use them. And then they're so fresh that try cracking them open. You can hear it. They have a nice firm texture. That's what you get with a fresh mushroom. And then you use them in raw or cooked, however you like to use them. Fresh mushrooms are so much better than what you get in the grocery store. These cremini mushrooms are the same variety of mushrooms as the portobello. I have some portobello here. When they're teeny tiny, they sell them as button mushrooms. These are kind of a middle size, which are sold as creminis. And then when they get bigger, they're sold as portobellos. Now, as they get bigger, the stalks get tougher. And so most of the time, your recipes will just call for the flat mushroom part. These can be just broken off and discarded, compost. If you clean off the soil, maybe you could throw them into your veggie broth. And then you have this head with these, I forget what these are called. It just left me. These fin type things are dark, while as the rest of the interior of the mushroom is white. So if you use a portobello mushroom without doing anything about these fins, whatever you're preparing will turn very dark brown. So a lot of times, the easiest thing to do is take a spoon and just skim and scoop these fins off and discard them, and then you have the nice white portobello mushroom to use. And then your salad or your soup or whatever will stay a lighter color. Now, the danger of me telling you about portobello mushrooms this week is that I've got a box of them here that Farmer Ruben decided to discard. The farm that we've gotten the mushrooms from gave us a bunch of kind of ratty looking portobello mushrooms. They, I think, are a little bit over mature, because you can see that the stems have extra growth around them and they're just kind of broken on the edges. So they didn't send us their best quality. We are complaining about that and asking for a refund. But unfortunately, those of you who ordered portobellos are going to get cremini mushrooms instead. Most of the time, they're going to be able to be substituted in any of your recipes, unless you're trying to make a mushroom burger or something where you wanted the full, nice, large head. So we're sorry about that. It's not our fault. Enjoy the cremini mushrooms, and then save this information later for the next time that next week when we can offer. Hopefully they'll send us nice, fresh beautiful portobello mushrooms, and then they'll never do this to us again. Hopefully they'll learn our lesson that we won't accept second-hand quality mushrooms from them. The company has changed a little bit. The farm office is changed over there, and so there's just a few bumps in our process with them, and we'll get that all smoothed out. So enjoy your vegetables, enjoy your cherries, enjoy all the other goodies that you've picked out. I saw people getting milk and yogurt and kefir and bacon and bread, coffee, and all kinds of things that we're providing for you. So enjoy your farm food this week, and please post your meals in the farm community group. I love seeing what you're making. The pictures are beautiful. You're inspiring other members when you show what you're making, the different combinations of things, how they can be used. It's really inspiring to see what delicious food you're feeding your families. So have a great day, enjoy your week, this beautiful weather, and thanks so much for supporting our small local family farm. Bye.